Hi everybody, this is Rishima Jaju. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing fine. So what kind of food do you crave for when the weather outside is beautiful and it's the beginning of the monsoon? I crave for fresh hot noodles. I love noodles, especially made by my mother. So today I'm using her recipe. I really can't wait more for the noodles to get ready. So I'm gonna get cooking. Carrots, capsicum, onion, cabbage. Now I've chopped all of these vertically and spring onions which are chopped finely. I've got my noodles, of course, my ketchup, spring onions for garnishing, oil, ginger garlic paste with some chilli in it, soy sauce, Maggi magic cube and some salt. As you can see, I've already boiled my noodles and oiled them as well because I don't want them to stick, and look at them, they're super bouncy and super non-sticky. I love that. I can't wait to devour these noodles. Alright, before I finish this bowl, let me tell you a fun fact. Did you know that Chinese noodles are not even Chinese? If you ask a Chinese person to taste them, he will say that he's never tasted anything like this in his entire life. If you like this recipe, please comment, share, subscribe and like my channel. I'll be back with another interesting recipe soon. Bye!